Imagine turning your key and seeing your dashboard light up like a Christmas tree with warning lights for the transmission, ABS, and check engine all at once. That is the nightmare scenario often associated with code P0600, the Serial Communication Link Malfunction. This is not just a simple sensor failure. It means your car's brain, the electronic control module, or ECM, has lost its ability to talk to the other computers in the vehicle. Modern cars have a network called the CAN bus, which acts like a telephone line connecting the engine computer to the transmission module, the body control module, the ABS system, and more. When code P0600 sets, it means the ECM has tried and failed to communicate with one of these modules for 8 consecutive startups. The symptoms can be incredibly frustrating and vague. You might experience the engine stalling at idle, the transmission failing to shift gears properly, a massive drop in fuel economy, or even the vehicle refusing to start at all because the anti-theft system cannot get a signal. Because this is a communication fault, inexperienced mechanics often misdiagnose it by replacing parts like fuel injectors or ignition coils because they see a misfire, not realizing the misfire is happening because the computer stopped telling the spark plug when to fire. The root cause is almost always electrical. It could be a loose or corroded connector, a bad ground wire that is preventing the circuit from completing, or a short in the wiring harness. If you want to tackle this yourself, you need to be extremely careful. Do not start unplugging modules or probing wires with a test light unless you have a high-quality wiring diagram and pin values. Probing the wrong wire on a computer data line can permanently fry the ECM, turning a repair into a disaster that costs thousands of dollars. The best approach here is to use a professional-grade scanner like a Tech 2 or AutoHex that can communicate with the network and pinpoint exactly which module has gone silent. If you are handy, you can carefully inspect the main harness connectors for water intrusion or green corrosion on the pins. Also, check your battery grounds and engine grounds, as a bad ground is a leading cause of computer glitches. However, if visually inspecting the wires and cleaning the grounds does not clear the code, this is one of those times where taking it to a professional technician with advanced diagnostic tools is worth every penny to avoid accidentally bricking your car's computer system.